the earth has this incredible ability to, you could say, bounce back from any sort of abuse that we take from it. Our job is to let it come back, allow it to self-correct, allow nature to take its course, that we do not corrupt that process. This is the gift that Allah Ta'ala has given us. This beautiful green earth that even when we take from it, subhanAllah, it keeps coming back, giving us more and more and more blessings. And our objective is don't corrupt that process. Give it enough of a chance to keep providing for you and feeding for you.